Why do you hate digital products? I don't hate digital products. I just think that you can make a lot more money doing drop shipping, doing the stuff that I talk about. And when I say a lot more money, I mean like a fucking lot more money. And especially when you're a beginner, like most of you guys right here, you probably haven't made your first $10,000 online, right? I'm speaking to mainly beginners in this chat. Maybe you have made more, but most of you guys, there's 43 people in here now, right? Most of you guys have probably made less than $10,000 online. And digital products take a lot longer to get up and running, and it's a lot harder to make that initial money, right? So obviously there's pros and cons, but you guys aren't just going to stick with it. If it takes 3 months to find a good digital product and run it up and work on it, blah, 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 you guys just aren't going to stick with it. You're just not going to do it. And like, out of real note, like genuinely, I like seeing you guys fucking do well. So if I'm recommending digital and I know that 99, like out of the people that try it, 90% of people will give up before they see success. Whereas if, say, Etsy dropshipping, 20%, 30% will give up before they see success. It's just better, right? It's just fucking better.